Hi, welcome to readmeproject.com. The paper you have requested is Technical Data Management System on Large Building Construction Projects. Let's have a look on our abstract. Our proposed solution is to enable partners of construction projects to share all the technical data produced and handled during the building production process by building an information system through the use of Android technology. This system links distributed database allows building partners to access remotely and manipulate specific information. This paper covers the information structure model based on building construction knowledge and access user relevant information. This paper also focuses more widely data access through the help of adaptable interfaces. These interfaces are built dynamically based on user profile and the current stage of building lifecycle. It consists of 2D representation of the building as well as the data that is associated to each graphical entities. Start the process, collect user requirements, then validate requirements, then analysis record. After that, fetch information from the DB, then view results, stop the process. Let's see the demo of our project. First we need to run my Android app activity.java. Go to run as, then click run configuration. We need to select the app, then click run. It will be opened in the emulator. Now we need to enter the built-in area, then click conversion. Now we need to give estimation for 1 square feet, then click next. Now we need to select the order which we want to build our building. Kitchen, 1 bedroom and hall, restroom. Click display. It will show 2 images. We can select any one of the images. Click done. Click yes now. The probability details are given in a Readme file. Now the report for the entered data has been viewed here. That's all the process over. Thanks for watching clickmyproject.com.